Beau Luna Adventure, and we are back to go on our first UK adventure to the Peak District. When we built and designed our self-build family camper van, it was always with the intention of going away in it long term for 3 months at a time in Europe to warmer climates, places like France, Spain, Portugal. One of our favourite places we ever visited was Andorra, but we've never actually taken it out in the UK, so this was the time we decided to take it away for a couple of days to the Peak District to see what it was like while camping in England. The reason that we chose the Peak District was it's not too far from where we live, so we'd love to explore the Lake District and also the Highlands in Scotland and parts of Wales as well as the south coast. But the Peak District was just so local, it was only about an hour and a half, 2 hours from where we live, so it seemed an ideal place to start our UK adventure. So we got the van ready. That's myself, my wife Jodie and both our girls, and we also took our dog Max. We got everything ready that we'd need just for a couple of days away and set off up the M1 to where we needed to go. So our first stop was Longshaw Estate, which is part of the National Trust. I'll pop below the what 3 words for each location just in case you're interested in visiting yourself. It was no problem getting the van parked here, and we went off for a hike from the Longshaw Estate to Padley Gorge. It was only about a 35-minute hike, but we got lost, so it took us near an hour. But it didn't really matter, the kids had loads of fun and it was nice to get out in nature. We thought we'd managed to dodge most of the bad weather, but it started to chuck it down just as we got back to Longshaw, so we jumped in the van and headed to where we were going to stay for the night at Castleton.
Taking another picture. Oh, look at me. Oh, yes, I'm gonna.
What?
We had some food and settled down for the night. Max was well away, he loves dreaming in the van. It was surprisingly mild. We were really warm. We took loads of fluffy blankets with us but didn't need any of them and ended up sleeping with the window open most of the night. The next morning it was a really beautiful bright morning and it just looked absolutely stunning out there. We quickly got dressed and took Max out for a little wander. It was such a lovely morning. It was really crisp and like I say, it was quite mild for the time of year. We packed up the van and made our way away from Castleton through Hope Valley and Winnats Pass. This was amazing. I'm not sure the van was too happy about going up it in second gear, but it was truly impressive and a really lovely place. We were making our way towards a place called Ilam Hall, but on the way we stumbled across High Peak Books and Cafe, and it was, oh my god, it was a lovely place, really cool. The kids loved it. Edie, our eldest, loves to read, so she was in her element. But we soon hit the road again and made it all the way to Ilam Hall, which was a beautiful place. I actually stayed here as a child with the school at the youth hostel on a school holiday, and it's a lovely place. It's hardly changed at all from what I can remember anyway. From there we went for a hike again. We set off from Ilam Hall and we were heading towards Dovedale and the stepping stones across the river there. From the stepping stones we took a different route back, which took us slightly more up hillside, and it was really beautiful to see England's green and pleasant lands from up there. Ilam's a really small village, but the estate, which is part of the National Trust, is well worth a visit. It's just such a lovely place to be. And where's your favourite places to go in England, Scotland and Wales? Really be interested to know, because we want to get some more places under our belt in the UK. So yeah, please drop us a comment with where is your favourite place. On our radar at the minute we've got the Lake District, and we also at some point want to do the NC 500, the North Coast 500, around the very top of Scotland. We think that's going to be absolutely beautiful. I visited there as a child as well and really enjoyed it. So yeah, drop us a comment, where's your favourite place to go, and we'll catch you soon in the next video.